Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you for coming on into the Crypto Lifers show, the greatest show in all of YouTube. We pump it up. We got the adrenaline. We got the movement. We got the energy. We got the vibes. We got the gratitude. We got it all. We got the strongest group in cryptocurrency. We do. Other groups, they got like maybe 100,000 followers, but maybe they're like 400 deep. We maybe have 12,000 followers, but I feel like we like 5,000 deep. So there's just nothing like it here on anywhere else on the market. There's nothing like it, man. There's no harder working team out here because we know how to work harder than everybody else in the game. All right, shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you. Take a look at CELO right off the bat. Look, it's like an inverted head and shoulder forming that pennant. It had that beautiful pump up, had to consolidate. What do you think is going to happen again once that 1 hour and that 4 hour get oversold again? CELO. So, you know, all not happening yet per se, but watching it. Bit of a cup and handle as well for CELO. So I plan my trades out days in advance. Like when this is ready for entry, it'd probably be in a few days from now. And then bam. So I already kind of start eyeing my prey a lot earlier than most. Just wanted to put that on your radar. Let's take a look at Bitcoin to start the day. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you for coming on in. We got consistency. We do. That's what we do. We're here every single day without fail. Shout out to everyone here on a Thursday. Appreciate each and every one of you for just stepping up and showing up. Much respect to each and every one of y'all. Let's take a look at that comment section. See what's cracking. Thank you so much for the $8 super chat. $5 super chat. Must be another $3 somewhere up there. Tori McFarland. Can we take a look at Harmony One? Gonna pack a bag. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Appreciate each and every one of you. Shout out to all my awesome admins and modifiers, moderators. Appreciate you, Salty Balls. Appreciate you, Gina. Shout out to everyone here in the game. Bitcoin. I see Bitcoin in this a bit of a flag. Getting red, of course. They're going to try to dump it here. The 4 hour needs to reset. So that's one thing I kept saying. You know, the 4 hour has to reset. And I was hoping, I saw when the 4 hour was high, we were right here. And remember I used to say, I said, I hope the 1 hour can get us high above a range. So when the 4 hour resets, we come back and bounce off of a lower range. That is the idea. Music's a little crazy. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Thank you for sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. Are you drinking your lemon water? That's why I have such beautiful skin, even though I don't. But that's why I have such beautiful skin. Let's just act like I do. Because I drink le lemon water by doing damage. Le lemon water by doing damage every day. That beat almost sounded like there was two beats on at the same time. I'm willing to believe that almost. It's tripping my mind out right now. Hold up. It's not. I mean, that's a trippy beat. That's a trippy beat. I'm changing up the music today, but it's getting kind of crazy. It's a little wild. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Thank you for jumping on into the live and calling yourself a crypto lifer. We about to move. Moving at the speed of light. Keep it on the kickback. Moving at the speed of light. Moving at the speed of light. Kicking with a kickback. Riddle on a rip back. Sitting with a flip back. I never change it. I never changed when the Satoshis came. I never changed when the Satoshis came. Faster and fast and a flash and a flash. I blast and a blast and I catch and I catch. Never changed when the Satoshis came. Never changed when the Satoshis came. Shout out to everyone here on the live. So we're seeing right now Bitcoin on the 4 hour, pumping back down to the 1 hour, right? Now the 1 hour is extremely oversold. It tells me we're about to get a pump to the upside. So let me kind of square away what I see happening here. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you for coming on in. 95 people watching. 99 people watching. 53 likes. Can we get the likes up to the watchers? Come on. Fox Business finally covering the SEC Ripple lawsuit. There you go, baby. Took too long, man. Drinking my morning tea while smoking my green vegetables. Enjoying the man Sam dropping lyrics. Amazing. And Fox Business finally covering the SEC. Hook me up. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Appreciate each and every one of you. Did you have your Wheaties this morning? Shout out to Jimmy Jam. Hey, brother, can you please look at SAITAMA? It's going to the moon. God bless you and your wonderful family. Shout out to Jimmy Jam, man. Appreciate you, Jimmy Jam. You're the man, dude. SKL doing good. Yeah, back in Boston. Golf when you want. Oh, dope, 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 dope. We're going to golf like in the next 2 days then. It's golf all day, all the time now. I'm addicted, baby. I'm going to golf for the rest of my life. I'm going to be that corny white dude just... I never got to be that dude, man. Now I get to golf, man. I used to work way too much, man. It was insane. I still work way too much, but I can take 3 hours once a week, twice a week, get a little golf in. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. And you can golf and trade, too. You can golf and trade. You can do anything in trade as long as you set it up, because the setup, it's all about the setup way beforehand, right? It's the setup way beforehand. Love the drive range. When I come to Boston, count me in. I got you, Gina. It's green, but call pink cookies. I should NFT my herbs. LOL. Shout out to... Yeah, you definitely. That'd be a good idea. Crystallize it. Love golf. Look at Friends. It's on Deck Stools. It's on fire, guys. Better get in now. Use case website. It's fire. Ferds. Funds. FNDZ. What's up, my man? What's going on, Luke Havillard? What's up, Luke, man? Been way too long, man. You can't stay away too long, Luke. You got to come back, man. The money's over here. It's not over there, buddy. Anyone who left us didn't make as much. No, I'm just joking. You never know. You could have sold the 10,000 Mercedes at a Mercedes dealership. We don't know what you do for a living. But we got paid heavily here. Definitely since the last time we saw your name in the comment section, we definitely got paid heavily. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. What do I see happening for Bitcoin? We're going to break down the entire thing. If you're new to the channel, this is what we do every single day. We go over Bitcoin for a good 15 minutes. All right? Then we go over total 2, Bitcoin dominance, and then we take super chat requests as well. People tend to start sending those super chats in real quick at the beginning. Let's see what we got right now. We have a few asks right now. Can we take a look at Harmony 1? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm almost going to have like a secondary page open, and I'm going to just kind of jump back and forth here. Fun BTC looks like it's in a cup and handle, about to pump to the upside on Poloniex, if you're into that type of thing. Let's take a look at Harmony 1 USDT. Okay, so back to 16. Interesting. It pumped all the way back up to 22. I was like, damn, I missed the boat. Came back down again. It's in a beautiful bull pennant. As you can see, I have it nicely channeled here, looking absolutely beautiful. So Harmony 1, what is Harmony 1? It was an IEO by Binance. Came out early. You know what I'm saying? Like this has been out about, I don't know, I'd say 18 months now, maybe 2 years. I remember the day it came out. I was following this the day it came out. A lot of IEOs were coming out every other day. They were firing out. It was like 2019 area, something like that. So I see Harmony 1 getting up here to about 26. Yeah, 26.97, 27 area before it has a bigger pullback. It looks like it's going to have a bit of a jump here for the measured move. Okay, that's a measured move for Harmony 1 on the 15-minute. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. What are we seeing? 4 hours also oversold and pointing to the upside. That's a beautiful thing. You could also, you could channel this into a giant cup and handle as well. And if you watch this channel, they call me Sammy Cup and Handy because we play the cup and handle over and over and over again. Harmony 1 looking absolutely beautiful. Highly likely to pump to the upside based on the probability of the stochastics RSI being oversold. And this is a known pattern, a cup and handle. Also inside of a pattern that breaks up 68% of the time, a bullish pennant. Okay. Adjust this to touch candle bodies. And this is looking like it's about to rock to the upside. I like what we're seeing here. Then I take a look at the 1 hour for the temporal entry. 1 hour is not in your favor. I don't get into trades when the 1 hour is pointing to the downside like that. So it tells me this. There's a chance we just kind of maybe fiddle around in here for a little longer. At that point, it is what it is, right? Harmony 1. Looking beautiful. Looking absolutely beautiful. I love to see the risk-reward ratio. I love this tool because it gives you a stop, a target. It just shows you everything that it kind of gives you the imagination of what you would or would not do, depending on it. And again, none of this is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Nothing I do and say here, don't do anything I do in this channel. It's all for entertainment purposes only. Nothing I do here is for, it is educational if you'd like to take it as such, but entertainment Number one, this is for entertainment. Number one, you come here for entertainment. You are entertained by me and my antics, my creativeness, my beautifulness. I'm drawing shapes too. These are also considered art. Some could battle that this is art that I'm drawing here. That is yellow, that is blue. These are beautiful colors. I'm using the rainbow. I'm just sitting here making shapes, guys. So shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. I do not want clients. I'm not looking for clients. I do not go over people's portfolios. I will not go over your portfolio. I know you see me and you're like, damn, I would love it, but that's not what I do. I'm not a financial advisor, an investment advisor of any type. I'm not advertising those things, and I don't do those things. I am a teacher, a technical analyst, and I show you exactly how to find measured moves, inverted head and shoulders, pennants, bull, you name it, cup and handles, the works, and I'll get you where you need to go if you want to learn technical analysis. Jump into my tutoring group. I actually tutor. No one else really tutors online. They don't have the gusto. They don't have the BALZs to sit there face-to-face with people every day and put in the hard work, but I'm ready to go. I'm ready to give it to you face-to-face if you need it. So jump on in, hit the tutoring. We can do it. I can also be really nice if you're calm. I'm not so brash all the time. I'm a nice guy. I can be quiet. Anyway, shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you. There's Harmony 1 for my guy. Thank you so much for getting that. Okay. Turning the music up a little bit. The music's probably a little too low now for everybody. Am I wrong? For my guy. Thank you so much for getting that. Okay. Turning the music up a little bit. The music's probably a little too low now for everybody. Thank you so much for getting that. Okay. All right, I'm just checking the music there. All right, cool. Anyone else playing the shout out to everyone on the live stream drinking game? Best tutor in the game, so sign up if you haven't. I highly recommend. Thank you very much. Crypto Lifer, are you open to taking a look at a couple dope NFT projects on OpenSea? Moon Boys and Incognito are super cool. Just copped an H-bar astronaut from Moon Boys. Interesting. We've talked about Moon Boys. Remember, I remember Moon Boys a long time ago. Mitchell Junker. Can you look at a couple dope NFTs on OpenSea? Incognito are super cool. Interesting. I'll take a look at them if I get a chance towards the end of the live. We got to get through brass tacks though right now. Just cause. Happy Thursday, brother. Shout out to Benny Boy. Appreciate you, man. See, I got you. You said I didn't do your stuff, and I actually had done them already. Aha. The elephant never forgets. Just signed up yesterday. First screen share last night. Excited about our future gains together. Shout out to Gregory Foster. Thank you for jumping on in. Appreciate you for being part of the crew, man. Christian Weber. Check out Street Dogs NFT. Yo, Lifer. There's a sweet band on your right wrist. It's so bringing back the 80s, my guy. Oh, thanks. Yeah, it's cool. You know, Borga Board. This is a really cool spot. And what it is like, you know, you can put like, you know, your money in here and run around if you have to. But I like this place. It's really, really cool. It's like physical puzzles that you and a team have to figure out to get in. You get into a room. It doesn't tell you what to do. You got to figure out how to get out of these rooms by finding the clues. And they don't even tell you anything. Some of it's math. Some of it's figuring out. Like, it's insane. And they have like literally 50, 60 rooms all over the place. It's insane. I went there during, quote unquote, the height of the pandemic or the Delta variant. Didn't even get sick. Was touching everything all over the place. Was surrounded by kids. It is what it is. You know, who knows? Can you check V-Chain, brother? Love the channel. Shout out to Don Jacob. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you. Every time Sam says shout out to everyone on the live stream, I take a drink of my morning coffee. And second pot is already brewing. Ready, baby. Shout out. Oh, man, you're going to be hyped then. You're going to be super hyped. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you for coming on in. 128 people watching, 74 likes. Can we get the likes up to the watchers? I would greatly appreciate it. Do your job, as Belichick says. I do my job, you do your job. My job is to sit here every day, show up, pretty close to on time if I can do it, and then to go through these charts for 2 hours every single day with consistency, with an upbeat feeling, and with positive attitude and energy. Your job is just to watch, hit the like button, comment, and have a good time and learn. So that's all you got to do, but you got to hit the like button. That's one of your jobs, and this is one of my jobs. So you do your job, I do my job, and we can both kind of meet happily in the middle. Don't sleep on ICP. Lots of FUD, but they're doing wild stuff. Building on Bitcoin smart contracts on the internet computer. And their staking protocol reminds me of Hex. The longer you stake, the better. GALA not stopping. Crazy. My God, GALA won't stop. We talked about GALA. We gave you GALA. We went over GALA numerous times. GALA pumping to the upside all the way to 13 and doing serious damage. Gave you a call for GALA when we woke up this morning. Guys, I was all over it for you every single part of this. I gave you this call here. I gave you that call there. There's nothing else I can do. I work so hard trying to keep up with the entire market, making sure I don't miss a beat for my lifers. If you were in the cryptocurrency, if you were in a Patreon, so people that are right now watching this live stream, they're not a Patreon. They're like, should I become a Patreon? Not sure. If you're watching the Patreon, I was looking at GALA last night, and we went over it together as a team. We found it as a team. We nailed it. GALA booming up to the upside. So, GALA, man. And we found it together on the weekly screen share. I was doing a weekly screen share last night, and then I took a look at GALA, and the chart looks pretty beautiful. Let's take a look at it here. This is it right here. 5-cent GALA, right? Turned it into 13 cents overnight, not too long from now. So even that call was right here. 166% gains for GALA. Booming to the upside, the market ripping the face off of everyone who jumps on in. This is absolutely insane. If you got in, congratulations. Boom, 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 boom. GALA booming to the upside. Another gain. Every single day we get to show you gains. Red days, green days, it does not matter. The market was horribly red. We were consistently showing you green trades over and over again. Why? Because we knew what the market was going. We study the market. I understand the ecosystems. I can figure out where the money is moving a lot faster than most people. I do this for every single day. This is my life. I do it for a living. I track the cryptocurrency market for a living. That's exactly where my value comes from. That's the value I bring to the market. That's why anybody gives me anything. That's why I make money, because I track the market and I put in the 100%. You'll always beat somebody if you put in more work than them. It's that simple. If you just put in more effort, they can't beat you. They can't beat you if you put in more effort than them. I got 2,500 of a weird NFT coin. Be careful. Did you get any airdrop NFTs? No. I'm watching them close along with mainframe. What's your exit strategy for the market cycle? Do you DCA at certain points? Yeah, I mean, you just got to take profits when you're happy. You know what I'm saying? I consistently just gain BTC with Bitcoin Cash at around 630 and an all-time high of 4,500 in 2017. Is this going under the radar? No, we talk about it. We'll go over Bitcoin Cash. I like to trade it on and off throughout the market. It's something that I will eventually touch on. So thank you for bringing it up, though. I appreciate that. Can you check on VeChain, brother? Thank you, Don Jacob. Appreciate you. We'll take a look at VeChain. Hey, brother, can you please look at SAITAMA? It's going to the moon. SAITAMA. Always another thing. SAITAMA crypto. The future of finance. SAITAMA token. SAITAMA. Buy mission ecosystem. SAITAMask. Interesting. Fostering the future of finance. Welcome to SAITAMA, a community-driven platform promoting financial well-being by empowering people of all ages and cultures to be in control of their money and create their own wealth opportunities. The SAITAMA token is our medium. It was built on the Etheruem blockchain with a smart code that makes it safe to invest and benefit to hold. See, the second I see ERC20, I think of high fees, and I don't want to touch it. You know, someone said that the other day in my group, and I completely understand. To educate the next generation of investors and make financial well-being accessible to all. Although digital currencies have been around for over a decade, we are still at an early stage of a monetary revolution that will reorganize our society, redistributing wealth and giving anyone a chance to attain financial freedom. The bulk of the next generation of investors is yet to join, but for global decentralized finance to become a reality, they will need not only to overcome technological hurdles, but to simply understand how money works. This is where SAITAMA comes in, providing tools and content that make people comfortable with money, while they invest openly in unprecedented opportunities for wealth creation. The SAITAMA token. It all sounds great. Like, they paint such a picture, right? Passive income, deflationary, anti-whale trap. Everyone is expected to make profit, but we want profit to be for everyone. SAITAMA is coded in a way that prevents big wallet holders from trying to manipulate the price in their favor or from dumping the token by selling out. But doesn't that get in the way of free markets? You know, it's weird. It's like they burn 55%. SAITAMA price trend 24 hours. Looking pretty nice. It's you can check it out on DEX tools, it looks like. Again, I don't condone any of these. And again, this is for entertainment purposes only. I'm personally not invested in it. I don't know anything about this. The team's not contacting me. I don't know anything about this coin. Never heard about it besides a super chat here. Taking a look at Saitama here on the ETH pair. Saitama Inu, baby Saitama. Can't really find the actual Saitama, of course, right? Is it Saitama Inu, though? Is that what it is? And I can't figure that out. Let's take a look at what it is to say to buy here. DeFi purchase, CeFi purchase. Is also being listed on new exchanges of all sizes and regions. Lbank, Bilaxi, and DeFi. Saitama. Before SaitaMask is launched, it's connected to a digital wallet on Uniswap. So you can buy it on Uniswap. Anyway, you guys can figure out where to buy. I don't even want to tell y'all. I'm not saying it's amazing. Interesting to look at for sure. I'd like to take a look at the chart. That's what I want to see. Saitama Inu, though, is that what it is? See, I don't know. And then it slows me down from what I'm trying to do, which is look at Bitcoin. So I'm sorry, but the channel really is going to be mainly focused on blue chip clean coins from now on, honestly, just because, you know, there's scrutiny in the market right now. I'll tell you right now, there's scrutiny in the market, and I want to be more on the up and up, 110%. I don't want to hurt anybody. I want to make sure every trader is getting fair share, and no one, you know, I don't want to leave. People don't understand what these little coins are. A lot of people have no idea. They're beginners. Let them find it out on their own and kind of get into that stuff. I kind of want to stay a little further away from it on this run than we were on the last run. It looks great. It looks cool. I have a lot of beginners here that are learning technical analysis. I want to stick to the TA and the education. I kind of want to stay away from microcap shite coins from now. You know, I'm not saying that is one, and anything could happen to it, and it could get big. And I don't want to put you down for your idea. You probably have a great idea, and it could go up. Something I could do on my own, or other more experienced traders. We just have to really, really be careful for the consumer, man. We want to make sure that they're being protected at all times. You know, that's my main goal here. You know, education, and make sure people are not being led astray. This channel was created because I thought there was too many channels doing things that weren't proper, right? And I was like, man, I think I could change the game. So, were you a radio before doing this? Never in my life. I was a rapper, so I used my voice to rap. Hey, Lifer, can you check Seller, please? Look at Seller to hit around 16 cents. Saitama was an ad on the Brave browser. That's all I know about it, right? If you found this channel, you've taken the first step in the right direction to investing in yourself, your family, and society. Congrats. Shout out to Dirty Harry. Appreciate you, man. You know what you're doing. Best TA out there. Thank you very much. Where can I find your music? Anywhere. Just Google Sam Price, Life Elixir, my rap album that came out a few years back. I'm on Spotify, Amazon Music, you name it. Check me out. Check me out. I guess I'll play one track in the background, but I rap, so it's kind of hard to, you know. I like Turn Me Up, though. Turn Me Up's kind of a hot track. Turn it up. Can't catch me 'cause I turn it up. And I'll just do TA. Look at you, salty socializing it up. Funny, you guys are funny. Let's take a look back at Bitcoin, see what's happening with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin bouncing off 46,600, doing a nice little bounce here on the daily. You can see that bounce, bounce, bounce. And when I look at it, to me, I mean, it's just forming a beautiful pennant here. And this is the measured move right here. See, it's hard to hear my voice while I'm rapping and my voice while I'm talking. Kind of corny, in my opinion. So, but if you want to hear my stuff, you can take a look at it, you know. Face to face, that depends where my iron is. My face got wrinkles on my iron, eh? When I leave the scene, get cozy with the easy queen. That prepared a name. Sam Price, roll the damn dice. To get your hands sliced. Is what my hands tight. Is what my fans like. Can't catch me cause I turn it up. Put me out, I'm on fire cause I'm burning up. Can't hear me, little louder now, turn it up. Can't hear me, little louder now, turn it up. Can't catch me cause I turn it up. Put me out, I'm on fire and I'm burning up. Can't hear me, little louder now, turn it up. Can't hear me, little louder now, turn it up. Here in the streets of Queens, in my rap street stay all squeaky clean. It's microphone check the beat for fiends, and every to lead the team. Every tribe need a chief to lead the team, you know. Game need my V12 rumble. Most rappers ain't the same speed. They rumble, try to fame me. Not the rap flow and the lane beat. Where the careers in the toilet and the drain empty. My flow wash them away. Watch a boss come to play. Call me Don Corleone. Tap my phone. Side John name moan of the bones when we moan. My rumble backbone through me bones. You guys are getting me crazy, man. I'm cushy and I'm home alone holding chrome. Open it up. So Bitcoin, man, people are going to leave the stream. No one likes to hear me rap. They don't. Once I start rapping, people leave, man. Louder now, turn it up. Can't catch me because I turn it up. Put me out, I'm on fire because I'm burning up. Can't hear me little loud. I'll just finish this one track and then I'm done. Louder now, turn it up.
It's crackling
In
now,
here, and my flow getting red hot. It's too late. Like we waiting for the dead drop. I Japanese flag you, one red dot. I leave you with a headshot. Confused with the red
I
box.
won't stop till I'm
performing at the Red Rocks.
Take a freak home
And make the bedrock hotter than the bedrock. I got the best. I make, and I'm only taking headshots. Twisted like some dreadlocks.
In the club sweating, pull her over like a
Oh man.
and a chest pop.
So alright. We done. You guys can listen to my album, check it out. You guys can learn how I'm getting this. I'm here for the music, man. Appreciate each and every one of you. Can I get a witness? Turn it up. Put me out. I'm on fire, man. I burn it up. Put me in here louder now. Turn it up. All right. Moving on. Bully, bang, bang. It's a banger, and I'm coming in. What you know, I could bring a bang. I got that voice. Everyone always thought I was, whenever I rap, people were like, oh, that's a black dude. And then I'd be like, nah, that's me. They're like, nah, man, that's a black dude. And I was like, no, man, that's me, bro. People are like, that's not you, man. That album cover, though, made me giggle. All right, let's move forward. Bitcoin pumping to the upside on the daily time frame. It's in a beautiful pennant and breaking to the upside. I see the target for Bitcoin at $73,000. I'm just saying. Target for Bitcoin, 73,000. I'm a rocker, sorry. I rock out too, though. I got you with the rock beat. Now you're going to make me do the rock beat. I got a rock beat for you with a guitar and everything on that track. I got a whole... It's dope. All right, so anyway, Bitcoin pumping to the upside on the daily. Let's take a look at it on the 1 hour. We're extremely oversold on the 1 hour. It's highly likely we continue to pump to the upside. Don't let them fake you out with this little funky little move. I mean, to me, we broke out and we're retesting the trend line. So look, this is a beautiful bull pennant for sure. If you want to exclude that, you can make it even tighter here and put it in this channel. We broke out of the channel, hands down. Now we're just retesting the previous support line. This is a retest, and we're low on the stochastic. You got to learn how to read these charts the proper way with support and resistance so you don't get faked out by the movement. For years, I didn't know which way things were going, what was happening. I didn't know what a retest was. I didn't perfect my ideas right. Now I'm ready to rock. So now look, you could say this is a bit of a double top. That could be an M pattern, something to think about. We'll watch it. Is the 15 minute a little high? No, the 15 minutes ready to rock. When the 15 minutes low and the 1 hour's low, I long. I mean, and I've been doing it over and over consistently, over and over. So I long right here. Again, I am not a financial advisor. Nothing I do here is financial advice. This is what I do. This is my opinions for BTC, right? This is a system that I use over and over and over and over again, right? If you would like to learn technical analysis, if you would like to understand how I'm drawing patterns, finding measured moves, using moving averages, understanding the flow and movement of price action, jump on into the game. You will not be disappointed. Another thing I want to point out to you as well here. This was in an inverted head and shoulder. So yes, I'm a rapper. Yes, I can play with the words. But I don't think just because I'm a rapper that I don't know my technical analysis. Some people hear me rap and then they don't want to take me seriously anymore. That's not the case. I'm just good at many other things. And I happen to be able to good at linguistics and I happen to be good at technical analysis. I put the work in to both things. All right? So don't get it twisted. All right? Looks like 11% gains for BTC. Back up to 52,000, 53,000 range, where it's going to get rejected again and probably bounce back to either this point or the next lowest point of support and resistance. That's what it's looking like for BTC. 1 hour needs to rock to the upside, and it's about to bounce. So there you go. From bingo caller to MC. There you go, baby. Brief vowel movements are healthy for Bitcoin. There you go. I'm in everything. Got to watch it all. Shout out to everyone on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you. Did you stop? Did you on ORN after a double bottom? Tokyo Sex Whale. ORN. ACH has been pumping. Yeah, but not enough. And the only reason it's pumping, it got added to, I believe, Kraken or Gemini. It got added to a new exchange with Bitcoin Cash. We'll take a look at Bitcoin Cash as well. We got to check VET for the channel as well. And happy Thursday for Don. Don Jacob wants us to go over VeChain. There's Don Jacobs. He's asking to go over VeChain. Oh, no. Okay. Bitcoin dumping, but now it's bouncing back. It got to a low here. Look, 47,164. They really did bring it to 47,000. They tested the previous support region. Look at this. Previous high, previous low, bounced right back into the pattern. I like that. And that was your perfect entry at 47,001, really. Long in the low stochastics. Long and low stochastics. We've done it over and over on this channel on the live stream. Or I've done it. The TA has shown you over and over again on the live stream. I presented the TA day in and day out, and you've seen that long and the low stochastics has proven to be a highly probable play to the upside. Highly likely Bitcoin goes all the way back up to 53K. Probably today, tonight, and by the weekend, we're into 53,000. If we get rejected, to come back down to 50K. We could get rejected by 50K and dump to 30,000. Anything is possible. But I take it one step at a time, one day at a time, regardless of the manipulation and the wackiness, right? It's been a crazy week. It started with the Walmart net craziness. Sunday night was iffy. Monday was kind of insane. It's been an insane week for cryptocurrency as we round it out back to Thursday. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. 150 people watching, 110 likes. Can we get the likes up to the watchers? I would greatly appreciate it, please. Thank you. Chu Soaring, good call on Chi. Thank you, my buddy. Thank you, my buddy. Appreciate you. So Bitcoin is bullish for the day. We've got it covered on the 1 hour. The 4 hour, not so much, but the 1 hour looks great. That tells us for the next 6 to 10, 12 hours, we should be beautifully pumping to the upside. Lifer, remember 22nd of September. Why does everyone keep saying the 22nd of September? Why are people creating this fake aura of nonsense? Hey, Lifer, good morning. What's your take on Vent Finance? Never heard about it, Gustavo. Vent Finance. Drink nothing but love, Sam. Appreciate you, Zero Allegiance. Shout out to you with the $5 super chat. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you so much for the life. Thank you so much for the appreciation. Guys, thank you for sharing your most precious asset with me, each and every one of you. 154 people watching. If we can get the likes up to 154, which I don't know why we can't. If you're driving, pull over. If you're looking at the comments on your phone, swing the comment section over, hit that like button. Do what you got to do to support the channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you. Cake NFT Marketplace this September 2nd. Oh, that's going to be a big deal too. I'm digging the beats. Shout out to Produce the Beats. Do you make beats? If you make beats, let's make a whole album together, man. We can do it. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell. I only make albums when someone else makes the beats with me, like when I work with someone. Otherwise, I'm like kind of like, once I work with someone, I start banging out songs. And I'll find time. I'll find time. I'll record them right here in the studio. We'll get them done. I got the cameras. I got it all. We'll make a crazy video and all that. Bitcoin pain. Pear is still hot. And look, Bitcoin just bounced off 46,100 back to 46,600. That's how vicious this game is. That's how on point you got to be. Also, is Bitcoin not in a cup and handle? And what's crazy is Bitcoin's in a cup and handle here on the 1 hour, and it's also in a cup and handle on the daily time frame. If I go to the daily, look, it's in a giant cup and handle. I move this over a little bit. It's the only thing I don't like about this tool, which it could be condensed. So look, I just showed you a cup and handle on the 1 hour. Is this not a cup and handle here again on the daily? Let's give you the measured move of this cup and handle. Positions Bitcoin all the way back to about $72,000, $73,000. So there you have it, BTC. Let me know if you need a terrible backup dancer and a hype man. Always, anytime. Yes, bro, I make beats. Let's link. Let's do it, man. I mean, produce the beats. I mean, I hope he makes his beats. So I got a cup and handle on the 1 hour. I got a cup and handle on the daily. The 4 hour is the only thing that's not in our favor. We'll see it play out after this pump on the 1 hour. We'll figure out where we're going to stand, where we end up. But so far, so good. Predicting a pump for Bitcoin. Here you go, based on the probability of these ideas on the technical analysis. Let's move on from Bitcoin, shall we? We've taken care of Bitcoin on the day. Let's take care of total and total too. Total is the entire market cap of cryptocurrency. What do we see happening? We're holding above 2 trillion. And this is my line in the sand. Look, rejection, 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 bounce. We need a bounce here to create bullishness off 2.1 trillion. We actually did. We got to as low as what? 2.15, 2.14, if you could call it. We bounced off of it very closely. The 50-day moving average kind of held us. We got close to the 200 on the 1 hour and never really was all good. I'm seeing just what Bitcoin's seeing. The same story for total and total 2 here. So this is what we see happening. Forming a beautiful flag, and eventually it's going to work its magic and pump to the upside. This is also in a giant cup and handle, as we pointed out recently, with a large target at $3 trillion. Says the whole market's going to explode to $3 trillion. Looks like we're about to get a super cycle up to $3 trillion in the next, I don't know, but coming up, not too long from now. Actually, Guy Fawkes is the 5th of November, so never remember. Yeah, remember the 5th of November. Everyone was talking about the golden cross in Bitcoin. Well, there's a golden cross there on the 1 hour and on the daily time frame as well. We did, you can see it right here. Giant cup and handle. And we talked about the golden cross the day it happened. We went over it numerous times, but it happened right here. The daily golden cross occurred right here. The last time we had a daily golden cross was down here. We had a massive move to the upside and began an extreme leg. I believe the next leg of this bull run is coming. This is a bull run that just had a slight pullback, and the next leg of this bull run is coming. I'm going to say it right now. No bear market. I'm calling it right now, and I could be wrong. If I could be wrong. I mean, actually, you know what? I always say you never know. So I can't do that anymore. I used to do that. The highly probability of this cup and handle says we're breaking the all-time high, no bear market. But I'll be open-minded to say we could wake up tomorrow at 22K and see, I don't know, some crazy black swan catalyst. You never know. Anything is possible with this world and these crazy market makers. That's my birthday. Let's get it. Shout out to Mitchell Junker. I call no bear market too. Everyone was talking about a golden cross in Bitcoin. You never know. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. 132 people on the likes, 166 watchers. Can we get the watchers and the likes to match? I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much. The hardest working channel in all of cryptocurrency. We go over Bitcoin, total 2, Bitcoin dominance, multiple altcoins. We go over all sorts of crazy business, ups and downs of crypto. We're here on the bearish days, the bullish days. It does not matter. I show up every single day, 7 days a week, 10 a.m. to 12 a.m., Monday through Friday, Saturday and Sunday nights at 8 p.m. Sunday nights for the Bitcoin weekly candle close to get you ready for the week ahead. All right, so total looking absolutely scrumptious on the 1 hour and the daily. Again, 4 hours only thing pointing to the downside. Looks like we're going to get a pump. 4 hour will come in for a retest. We'll make it nice. See how big this 1 hour can get us, and then we're going to kind of go from there. So all odds on the 1 hour breaking to the upside. Let's see how much juice we can get out of it. It's proposing a lot as it broke out of a bull pennant, then made another little bit of a bull pennant on top of that bull pennant inside of a giant cup and handle. This is also a cup and handle here and the inverted head and shoulder that's propelling us up to the upside. Looks just like Bitcoin. We're starting to make a bit of a move. Things are looking good. Multiple bearish and bullish markets, I believe. No more crypto winter. I see what you're saying. Anything is possible there too. That's interesting to say. I think we still get a crypto winter, and I think we still follow the halving cycle of Bitcoin. I still think the highs are just so high from the people that got in. It's like you got in 2012. Like people got in 2012 after the 2017 bull run. Like even after the lows, it doesn't matter. So if you got in, I got in 2016, 2017. So if you got in then, after these highs, like even after the breakdown of the lows, then it won't matter. You know what I'm saying? Oh, interesting. Now let's take a look at total too. And we cover everything. The Bitcoin Pi cycle chart. We look at big time frames. We look at monthly charts, yearly charts, weekly charts. We look at minute charts. We can look at any single time frame here on this channel. I do say if you're a beginner, you're just getting started, the 4 hour is your friend. The 1 hour is your friend. The daily is your friend. The bigger the time frame, the better off you will be. The smaller time frame, the more you will be jarred by emotions, the more you will be up and down, and the worse it'll be, in my humble opinion. That's how I took it, and that's usually kind of how most people take it. So look, the 1 hour is coming to the downside, getting a bit of a retest, and it's touching these moving averages here. It's telling us that the altcoins want to go on a bit of a tear right now. They're retesting this trend line. Right here, look. They're retesting this kind of area. You could say, okay, we fell below it. But to me, we're bouncing off of moving averages here. The 50 and the 200 got really close and moving to the upside. This tells me that this has legs to the upside for sure. And this is the same kind of thing that we see happen in the other coins. So the altcoins on the 1 hour have a measured move here out of this pennant to the upside. back to about $1.39 trillion. Okay. We take a look at the weekly time frame, and the highest they ever were was right here. We're getting so close to the all-time high for the altcoins. Isn't that crazy? Where did the money go? Not every altcoin got their money back. The money went to different places, and that's what happens. But all boats will move up when the water rises. This is looking pretty scrumptious. Total 2 looking pretty good. Shout out to everyone on the live stream. 177 people watching, 138 likes. Help me get up all the way to 200 people watching like we did yesterday. Let's crack through. I know we can do it. I'm here. I'm sorry I'm late, boss. Shout out to Rodney Robinson. Appreciate you, brother. Don't be sorry, be happy, my friend. Don't be sorry, be happy. Appreciate each and every one of you for coming on into the live. No negative energy, no space for time, no space for anything to drink. Isn't that funny? Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. We drink lemon water in this channel. We meditate. Wish, wish. Wall Street beats on Wish. Again, let's go. Wish. DXY doing it. Let's take a look at DXY. DYDX. Now, every little small coin we find just booming to the upside. Look at this, man. Another call on the channel pumping to the upside. Booming. Now up a nice 41% gains on DXDY. This is on Binance doing damage. 41% gain. So we gave you GALA for 106. We already went over GALA. Talked about it last night, went over it. I can give you proof that I went over it as well. Right here, look at the GALA scalp. I calling it a scalp at the beginning because I can only track it on the 5-minute at 7:44 p.m. last night. I'm looking at it right there. And we got in at 5 cents. It's now 13, pumping to the upside. 100% overnight in less than 12 hours, 13 hours. Now this thing's moving. DXDY. A beautiful decentralized exchange. Looks really, really nice. I like what's going on here, and I like what it represents. 10 cents a coin, all the way up about 43% gains. Boom. Every day we make gains here on the channel. Every single day. We hope. Maybe there's a few days that it doesn't, but so far I get to say that every single day we've been gaining. We've been nailing it. Hitting it. When you see a small coin with a low market cap, how much can people sell a coin off when nobody owns it? Wow, look at this. Polychain and 3 Arrows Capital lead a $230 million investment into Avalanche. Avalanche going to start pumping to the upside with the news. Look at this news posted right here. And I'm going to swing that over to the to the EX channel here. Exclusive calls and charts. Booming to the upside. Amazing. Look at that. Polychain and 3. Sick. Look at that, man. Ryan Weeks. It's a big deal, my friends. That is a big deal. Okay? That's going to pump up AVAX to the upside. That is huge news. So look, DXDY, now what? Well, it's high. So now you're like, well, what do I do? Well, what I do now is I draw my pennants and I project into the future. Once the 1 hour goes, that's it. It's overbought. You've gotten it. It's time to get out of the trade. I can, put basically, highly likely that that's it. That's your sell point. Why? Because it has to come back down to the 21-day moving average now. It's got to consolidate. Here's the trade, and what I do is right now is I just set an alert down here on the 1 hour, and I don't even look at this till my alert hits. It's not even worth thinking about. And then I move on to the next move. Move on with my 47% and make another move to the upside, and that's it. Nothing else you can do. DXDY. Beautiful, too, and this is going to form a cup and handle. It could even form a falling wedge. Anything is possible. We don't know what's going to happen, but I'm projecting into the future already what's going to happen. Highly likely that I'm right because I do this every single day for hundreds of coins, and I watch them play out. So I watch this. I've tested the probability. Like a scientist, I've tested the probability of my theories over and over again. They've played out very well. So then I'm able to show my theory live on camera, and you guys can see it. Again, educational purposes only, entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not an investment advisor. Don't do anything you see me do on this channel. Okay. I'm simply just, and this is also a reality TV show of my life. This is what I do. I wake up every day and I go, this is what I would be doing alone for 2 hours, going through the charts, doing my thing. And so it's nice to have camaraderie. It's nice to have a group of people to talk to, especially in the pandemic. I started this stream in the pandemic when I was all alone, had no one to really talk to, no one to converse to. And I had to do what I had to do to kind of make some social. I'm such a social guy. Like when you couldn't hug people anymore. And like, I was like, man, you can't shake hands. You can't hug. Like I'm the most social guy. I love everybody. I want to be in the group. I want to be involved. And when you stole that aspect of society away from me, it devastated me. I was seeing myself hang. I was going through suicidal thoughts. I got very depressed. My wife's father died of COVID. She was crying herself to sleep every night. I was in a dark place. And you guys brought me out. This YouTube channel, and every one of you brought me out. You know, when I was going to lose my channel, I thought I was going to lose my channel. But really, what I was going to lose? I was going to lose all of you guys. Each and every one of you. That's who I was going to lose when I lose my channel. It's not a physical, digital thing. It's an emotional connection to the people that care about me, the crypto lifers, man. So thank you to each and every one of you for being here. I'm as real as it gets. I don't mind opening my heart and really breaking it down for what it is and telling you what happened to me in my life, real stories. And, you know, I'm here now every day playing with the charts, right? You could be too. Sam, you could be dropped off the desert with your wife and kids and nothing, and somehow I could come back to you 2 weeks later and you would have a house built, a crew, and we'd be building a town. Hang in there, brother. Stay strong. God has our backs. Thank you so much, Boom. I appreciate that, man. The longer this journey gets, the more I put my faith in God. Bro, you got us for life, my man. Thank you so much. Appreciate you, man. Sending hugs, Gina. GALA just continues to pump to the upside. So this is what I see happening for DXDY. Here's my idea. But boom, man, we made beautiful gains for DXDY. Boom into the upside. Congrats to anyone who jumped on in. 43% gains. And it's a great project. It's a decentralized exchange. Really, really like it. Ooh, some tea for me? Are you kidding me? Ooh, I love tea. Thank you so much for my tea, babe. That's so nice. During the live stream, look at my wife. Bring your husband tea. To all you ladies out there, look how she treats me like gold, man. She treats her husband like gold, man. Treats me like a king, and I treat her like a queen. And that's really how it should be in every household. If you're talking down to your wife, if you're muttering things to your wife, if you're making your wife feel small, I want to say it right now. All right? Don't do that. Your kids pick up on that, and they disrespect if you disrespect each other in front of everyone, your kids will disrespect each other, and then they'll disrespect people outside. It all starts from the house, inside. And I'm not saying I'm perfect. Sometimes I can be a mother. I'll tell you right now. I say this out loud to give myself my own piece of my own medicine. But for the most part, and for the last few years, I've been way better than I was 5 years ago. I needed to work on myself. All right. And I did that work. I did that. And I still everyone needs to work on themselves. It is what it is. We're living inside a human body with the mind as a soul is a journey that you're in, and you're not going to accomplish it. You're actually you're on a goal right now inside of this body, trying to figure out how you can create your own reality and keep negative forces from pushing you in directions you don't want to go. That's what we're here for. That's what we're here for. And once you kind of figure some things out, helping everyone else kind of get out of their trap as well. That's truly what we are here for. All right. Okay. Action is the foundational key to all success. It is. Showing up every single day. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you. Okay. How did you find love? I married too fast and always regretted it. Yeah, I didn't get married till I was 31 years old, man. I knew to wait. I saw a lot of guys jumping in and marrying the first girl they met. No. I actually never wanted to get married at all. My wife had to force me to get married. Like, I was not about getting married at all. Wow, that's such good tea. It tastes amazing. Oh, yeah, I was 28, not 31. All right, fine. I was 28, my wife. I didn't know you were listening. I didn't feel like I took you seriously till I was 31, though. Like, we almost didn't make it. Our first 2 years were really tough. We couldn't stand it. Like, we were getting in a lot of art. It was just, I don't know, man. I blame her. She blames me. Right? Thank God we made it through. And we have our beautiful kids now, and it all worked out. I tell couples the first 2 years of marriage is hard. It is hard. I really do. No one talks about this. No one mentions this. All of a sudden, you got to share so many things all of a sudden, and you may not be ready. And there may be a lot of you may not be ready mentally, emotionally. And then when you're close to someone, you may take out your shortcomings on them. And that happens. And I hate to be a therapist of sorts and to preach while I'm drawing a pennant here on Rose. But that's just the type of channel you get here. It's not the same. Rose looks absolutely beautiful. Highly likely to break up to the upside. I'm personally in Rose BTC right now. That's the trade I'm in. I got in at about 520 Satoshi. It did go up to 600. He got slapped from the bat anytime soon. The first 17 years is hard. Does he always forget your anniversary? We both forgot it this year because we were working so hard. Isn't that funny? Like 2 weeks later, my wife was like, oh my God, we were working so hard. We both forgot your anniversary. Our anniversary. She looked at me. We both forgot it. I always usually remember it. She does too. I forget it more than he does, says my wife. See, yeah, look at that. Sometimes it's better to start in a bad note. Then it can get better instead of all the other way around. Yeah, like, I can't repeat it, but that hilarious, I should even say. Keep it to myself. Cameron, though. All I got to say is Cameron, man. He's too much. But there's a retest of the top trend line right there for Rose. Beautiful idea that Rose wants to, highly likely Rose wants to do damage. 15 minute and 1 minute are ready to rock, on the 1 hour ready to rock. So, yeah, Rose looks beautiful right now. The technical analysis suggests that Rose is highly likely going to break up. Probably 95% gains out of Oasis. You could make Rose your baby at 25. This is on Binance. Oh my gosh. You already forward that, Hadouken. I gotta watch my peoples, man. All right, anyway. Rose looking absolutely beautiful on Binance. Yeah, I'm personally in the Rose BTC trade. All right, let me show you what I'm doing here. I'm in this trade, Rose BTC. I'm in at 520. We did get as high. Look, we came high up to 600. Coming back down to retest previous trend line. This is in a more of a cup and handle. I could kind of put it in the same thing, though, if I extended it here and say, look, it's just retesting the top trend line. So, look, you can almost do this. You could do different TA on the same TA and get the same results. Isn't that insane? It's another thing. A lot of people, they only have one way to give you TA. I have so many ways. I can show you the dichotomy and the dynamics of the multiverse of TA. Like, when you get with me, you see so much more of what's going on. You see, like, you get a perspective of the metaverse of cryptocurrency trading. Actually, I had an idea. I want to be one of the first cryptocurrency traders to trade in 3D. I want to have a cryptocurrency course that's given in 3D with the Oculus. And you want to stand there, and I'm going to be bending time and space inside of the chart in 3 dimension. So anyone that wants to work with me on that and be part of the team, it's going to be called 3D TA. Jump on in with me. And I shouldn't even say it out loud because I came up with it like 2 nights ago. I'm sitting there and I'm like, I want to be the first guy who sells a technical analysis course in 3-dimensional space of the metaverse. Imagine jumping up and down off the 618 Fibonacci, pointing up, pulling the price action, like being inside of the price action, like seeing where it's going to go, and then watching it in a landscape. Like, come on now, being so immersed inside of the technical analysis that it surrounds you. I got ideas for days, man, and I really, I'm ready for all things Oculus. That's what I'm saying, baby. Mr. Smurfing just to be like in the zone all day, like. That's what it's gonna look like soon, right? BlueZell, we're excited to publish our roadmap for 2021. Check out the future milestone, BlueZell mainnet. So BlueZell, man, got some news for BlueZell. BLZ, we'll take a look at BLZ up in the charts too as well. Let's take a look at the chat too. Sorry, I negated the chat for a second. Let me go back into the chat. Any super chats, any love here? Drink, nothing but love, Sam. Hey, Lifer, good morning. What's your take on Vent Finance? I don't know much about Vent Finance. I think we went over it one time together here. It does spark a... Let's take a look at Vent Finance. Oh, I like this beat down and dirty. This beat's ill. Vent Finance. All-in-one community launchpad. There's so much stuff. All-in-one community. The simplest way to research, apply, and invest in early Cardano Polygon projects. Sign up and become a community member today. Vent. I mean, that's, yes, I want to know that. I'm writing that down right now. I think you hit on something really smart. I mean, who doesn't want to know about the early investment in Cardano and Polygon? I do. So who doesn't want to be in Vent? I do. So should we invest in Vent? Yeah, because other people are going to want what I want, and they're going to jump into that launchpad. Claim tokens. Interesting. All-in-one community launchpad. Aha. Vent Finance. CEO and founder Alex Kunzman. Our VentUp community funding platform is the simplest way to research and apply and invest in early-stage Cardano Polygon projects. We provide access to new verified project forums, vetted investment opportunities, and screen factors such as KYC and low transaction fees. A CDFI platform that curates the best features of both worlds, with the ultimate goal of accelerating the adoption of decentralized finance while remaining compliant with the traditional finance regulations. We designed VentUp to ensure a robust, scalable solution, providing security, control, and transparency for our users. Every VentUp service is audited to reduce the possibility of fraud, hacks, and rug pulls. I like what we're seeing here. I mean, I like the team. I like the name in the face. Polygon, Chainlink up in there. Synapse, DAO Maker, MakerDAO. All-in-one community launchpad, the simplest way to research. I like what we're seeing here. Thank you for putting that on my radar. Vent, pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. You guys just got blessed with some cool information there. Vent is pretty nice. That's what this channel is, man. The information just passes by. Thoughts on Multivac for the $5 super chat. Let's take a look at Multivac. I like Multivac. I'm personally heavily invested in Multivac. Yep, I chose it as one of my small cap gems to be in, and I'm going to rock Multivac all the way to the moon, baby. All the way to the moon. So Multivac, yeah, that's my baby. I like it. Dustin, wifey and I are working out to be the first marriage in Ohio to be verified via blockchain. Oh, that'd be so dope. $436 million market cap. Oh, that's a big market cap. Where are these beats from? Jamming out. I'm 15% on my way to being a millionaire, huh? Let's roll. It's all about the strong node for passive income. There you go, Bullish Boss. You're doing what you got to do. You're almost there, baby. 150 grand. Won't be too long. Triple it, double it, flip it. Then you'll get there, 100. You'll get there all the way to the top, baby. Better look at XPNet, too. Oh, we love XPNet, man. We going over it. I got a video I made about it recently when they first did their IDO. I live a truly blessed life. Yo, Dustin. Guys, Dustin Kava owns he did sell off, but he owned Nhalables. A really cool website. Let's show you Nhalables. If I can spell it. With an N here. Ohio's premier. It's a beautiful smoke shop in Ohio. And honestly, he mailed me one of these right here. I got this listed glass. Thing is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Sent me a really like $150 gift card and sent me a box full of awesome stuff yesterday. You're the man, dude. It was super exciting to get that box. Like, so awesome, man. This thing, I got to tell you, Anyway, shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for coming on in, for being a part. And this thing just keeps wanting to go. So you go to the 5 minute and you track it, and if it's low and making a pennant, it's going to continue. That's simple, just like we did at the beginning when it first started. So we kind of put it in here, and look, it's forming an ascending triangle, kind of rising wedge here, and it's low again. Eventually, it's going to form that bearish divergence here, and that's usually when it's going to kind of fall to the downside. You have swing up to swing up here, and if this kind of stays to the downside here on the RSI, you have what's called divergence. I teach all my students about divergence. We had a beautiful class on Tuesday, beginner's course, unbelievable. He just respects the art. No, I do not. I just respect the art. Beautiful art, man. Nice looking class. I love when people see me jazz in the mail. Yeah, dude, jazz in the mail is so awesome, bro. Like my man CMAS, he sent me all the awesome stickers in the mail right here. All these beautiful stickers that I still gotta like start sending out and getting going, making fun packages. I gotta get my website up and running. I'm behind on so many things. I love when people send me jazz in the mail. Crypto Crash, I have 3 million MTV bought because of DD from Thailand. He is special too. Who is DD? 3 million MTV? That's a lot. I have 410,000. You have a lot though. Damn, man. You got me beat. That means you have like 50K. Wow. No, even more. You have like 6 times. You have like 60K almost. You have like $57,000 worth of it. Am I right? Can I guess the amount? It's worth like $54,000. Full-time single dad, 2 for 15 years. Now time to make money and travel. Thanks, man. Shout out to Fallcore 200. You did what you had to do, brother. Appreciate you for doing what you had to do. All products American made. Traveled to every artist and took every single family out to dinner. 35 items starting to selling 36,000 items in 4 years. Dustin Cava, man. The premier smoke shop out of Ohio, man. My man Dustin. Shout out to my man Dustin. Appreciate you, man, with all the love. So much love, man. Whatever venture you're doing, I'm behind it. I'm going to be there supporting you 100% all the way, man. You just made a friend for life, bro, for what you've done and how you've connected with me. I got you, brother. I see you, man. I see you, man. Thank you so much for coming on into the live. I appreciate you, brother. Lifer, I didn't know you like glass, man. I blow glass for a living. Gonna have to send you a brand new Texas Tubes piece, bro. Kevin, man, please do. Yo, I have a beautiful glass collection. It's amazing. I collect glass for a living. I'll clean it and show it to you soon on the live stream. My entire glass collection is insane. Yeah. I know some folks in smoke shops, CMAS, man. See, I mean, the whole community comes alive. So, look, this is starting to bounce off the bottom trend line. You know, I mean, it's risky now because it's high, but, you know, you take another gabble at it. I would take another gabble at it. I don't want to say those words, but a person, like, the technical analysis suggests that it's in a ascending triangle that could pump to the upside. Just something to think about. You know what I'm saying? That's all I want to put on your radar. Not telling anyone what to do, and I'm not a financial advisor. And again, this is for entertainment purposes only. Lifer, what's going on with THETA? That's a great question, right? The greatest equalizer is small business. The education you get in this channel, it's an education that will transfer with you every single facet of your life. Dream big, everybody. I collect glass too. Gina Bombina. That's so awesome. Crazy how lifers have so much hidden or unknown talent in the family. Oh, there's so many crazy lifers, man. We got a guy who produces beats for Shakira. He made one of Shakira's biggest songs. He's one of my favorite lifers, man. He's awesome. We're going to do a Lifer Zoom soon. Just a hangout. Who wants to do a Lifer hangout? A Lifer Zoom hangout. We go over a little bit of stuff, but we just have a good time. We talk. We have fun, man. If you guys want to do a Lifer hangout, let me know. All holds bar. It won't be as hard brass tacks education. It'll just be a Lifer hangout Zoom where, you know, we show each other. We kind of, you got to put your camera on. I don't like lurkers. If you jump into the Zoom, you got to put your camera on. You can't lurk. All right? I'm in for like a Lifer hangout. Look at the greenie from BTC. Oh yeah, we're going to get it. You know we're going to get it, man. Let's take a look at THETA. What has THETA been doing? Let's take a look at THETA. Wow, that tea is amazing. Okay, so look. I've been playing THETA easy, kind of like easy style lately. Meaning I've been just like, this actually moved on me, but this is what we're doing here. Once it wicked down here, I threw a support line right there, right? And the idea is to accumulate in this region. I would personally accumulate in this region for THETA because that's the end of a wedge, right? It pumped up huge, came back into the pattern. Now it's in a beautiful pattern. It's still bullish despite the dump down. That was all that Litecoin craziness. That's all they did. They manipulated the entire cryptocurrency market. I'm learning the hard way. Been investing since the crash in 2017 and still have never taken profits yet. Even though I'm a millionaire now, greed gets the best of us. What's up was up to 2 million, but now worth 1.4. It'll happen, man. It's going to happen to you. It is what it is. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. I was at like 800, went back down to 400. It is what it is. I'm not a millionaire yet. I hate saying that, though. It's close. I'll get there one day. Very, very soon. Not too long from now, hopefully. And becoming an accredited investor as well. Have you heard about Hex? It's no 3 market cap at the moment and suppressed by Coin Market Cap on page 3. No, it was put to page 4, man. Remember? What are you talking about? It got moved to page 4, man. That's old news, bro. I needed this today, guys. Appreciate you all. Shout out to Dustin, man. Don't worry, man. Recreate yourself. I know you're going through it. I think you should stay in what you're doing, though. You're so good at it. I think you should stay in what you're doing. Just do your own thing. You know? I'll help you rebrand. We can talk. I got great ideas, man. You can bounce things off me. You'll be up and running in no time, man. You got the people and the support. That's all that matters. Remember to me, what if they took my channel? What if something happened to me and my whole crew? Like you said, I could recreate myself in the desert. You could do the same thing, baby. could do the same thing. I'm a millionaire. The cash is just taking some time to catch up. Love this channel and everyone here. Shout out to Rodney Robinson. Appreciate each and everyone here on the spot. I think you're a gem. I think you're Jen. Get some good. You can get some good mains on Matic Polygon. I'm holding it. BTC moving. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. But so Theta, I would accumulate Theta in this region, and I'm very highly likely I see Theta going all the way back to that all-time high and more, up to 15 and booming to the upside. I have faith in Theta. I do. I got faith in Theta. I mean, it's a beautiful project. It's one of the only like real projects with a gigantic use case that's actually working right now, right? So accumulate is the name of the game, right? Dustin Cava, I've been a cannabis, hemp, and veggie farmer for about 8 years. Let me know if you want to chat. Shout out to Cal the Ronster. See, man, we have actually, I think like 4 of the lifers are cannabis farmers. And I know at least 20 lifers that grow large amounts of cannabis, like in different sections, in different parts of the world. Fine, please, on Dex Tools. Let's take a look at that. Fines. That's weird. And look, that's the monthly chart. I mean, the monthly is insane. Bitcoin Cash up, IOST up, AVAX up, Phantom up, Algo up. Like, I mean, EGLD, Sol, Juan, Mina, AR, right? Booming to the upside. Adaform to cup and handle on the weekly time frame. That's going to mean a huge move to the upside. I used to farm some funky skunky too, but let's just say it doesn't end well. Why? Cannabis farmer from Sweden here. Never thought I would meet like-minded people in a space like this. Dope. There you go, man. BTC just popped. We told you it was going to pop. And let's go and reap the rewards of our TA, right? BTC USDT. There's the pop right off the bottom of the channel. I mean, when you're oversold in the 15-minute and the 1 hour, you long the chart, baby, right? Like we suggested. So again, another call on the channel where you would have been up had you looked at the idea. Again, none of this is financial advice. All entertainment purposes only. But backtest the theories, had you recreated the technical analysis on your own and saw this, bam, with the play to the upside, right? Bitcoin at 47,000, even 100 was the wick, but, once it got back to the inside the pattern, it was a safer idea. 47,500. And there we are back above 48K, right? It's really a competitive market. I'm not a farmer, but I will consume your harvest. ADA chart in the call group. Also DM'd. Thank you very much. Appreciate you, man. It's in the call group, man. That's cool. You don't need to DM me if it's in the call group. That's good enough. Right? Okay. Moving forward. So we got over Theta. Thank you so much for the 99 super chat. Appreciate you, bro. FND. Oh, I put an I in there. That's why we weren't finding it. FNDZ, right? Funds. Here we go. Thank you for putting this on our radar. We skip to skip, flip to flip, hit to hit, rip to rip, shift to ship, flop to flop, rock to rock, rock to rock, hip hop to flop, bop, 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 bam. I've been running around. See, like, you can figure out the cadence of a flow, and then I fill in the words. I would come up with that. I'd be like, I've been running rocks in the fun and suction, fun and cups and done and touching, sediment, and then you can speed it up. Like, you have to figure out the flow. It's like, I'm just gonna mumble it because. And then you fill in, and then I would write in the words after I figured out the cadence, right? Chop to the ground, to the ground, and it's like, you never stop it, you never rock, bam, bam. You never crop, bam, boom, bada, boom, bam. And I never step to the ground with a rap, boom, bam. Because we get a shot and think that a rap don't stand, And you get like, and I would figure out the cadence of the flow like that, right? This is taking way too long to load, man. I was trying to entertain you while this loaded. That's all I was trying to do, give you guys something to watch while this wasn't doing its thing. Come on, Dex Tools. Get on up. Get on up. Get on up. Trying to load that wallet might be holding me back. This is slowing me down, my man. I'm sorry. Thank you so much for the super chat. I don't know what's going on here with Dex Tools. Maybe I can check CoinTrader Pro for you. Not going to give up on the flow. Give up on the road. CoinTrader Pro. Yeah, see, this is slowing down the stream. I got to move on. I'm so sorry. I got to move on. If you got the chart, post a link to the chart in the World Trading Group. See this? Post a link to the chart here in the World Trading Group. Actually, not supposed to post a link. You could DM me. You could DM me, and that's how I'll know, right? Wow, man. Yo, I'll do a deal if you want to blow glass, crypto lifer glass. We'll do a whole line of crypto lifer glass, and yeah, man, freaking, we could split the proceeds, bro. You know, however you feel fit. Like we could talk about it, but I'm willing to do something like that. Definitely willing to do something like that. I'm very interested in collaborations. You see, Illuminati Congo put out some NFTs out a while ago. Here's my favorite conscious rapper. He vibes. His vibes match. I've never heard of him, but he sounds like something I would be into. Illuminati Congo. And there it is. Blow me a new piece, LOL. Yeah, blow me a piece, man. I'll buy Lifer Glass. There you go. We got someone right there who would buy Lifer Glass right there, man. We got a customer right off the bat. And now we want to see Bitcoin pump up to the upside. 15-minute still's got legs, so it probably can break through the trend line. Highly likely we stay above 48K and push up. 50K's coming. You're on Uniswap pairs on Dex Tools. It's on the Binance pairs. Oh, you should have told me it's Binance pairs, then we just go to PooCoin, man. If it was Binance pairs, we just do PooCoin, bro. I'll buy Lifer Water Glass. There you go. How does PooCoin taking us there? I'll buy two if you ship to Sri Lanka. We'll ship around the world, man, worldwide. Of course, man, why not? Whatever you need. Okay, you're talking about FNDZ now. Here it is, fine token. Now there's always 10 of them. That's another thing. I don't know if we're looking at the right one. $83 million market cap. It could be it. Total supply is pretty small too. Interesting. Okay. These are just high-risk coins that you really can't figure much about. It isn't making a bit of a pennant here, though. That's interesting. There is technical analysis on this, suggesting that it wants to break out of this bull pennant. So all we do is technical analysis, guys. We don't really like... And this is a bit of in a bit of a cup and handle as well. Interesting. High risk, high reward. Coins like this, if I ever get into anything like this, 1% of my portfolio or less. Actually, it's usually 0.001%. Like a tenth of 1% of my portfolio. Because I don't know anything about it, and I just I don't know, you know? Just not my thing. I'm very risk adverse. I like to be very, very careful with what I'm doing, you know? That's just me. Everyone else might look back and be like, oh, you would have made so much more, and fine. But you know what? I'm not on this earth to make money. I'm on this earth to learn. And if I don't make as much money and I have to learn more things, then that's the point of this life, right? Then I probably got a better life. So the more money you make in this life isn't the better life. It's the more you learn and the more you go through, the more your soul actually struggles. That's what we're truly here for. So yeah, this thing has legs, but it's a tiny coin. We don't know who controls it. Very shady, right? I don't like pushing these coins too much on the channel. I want to stay away from these things too much. You know, risk reward, man. You got to do your own ideas with these, but it does. The TA does check out. Please go to their website. Their use case is awesome. All right. Let's take a look at Finance Crypto. Buy FNDZ token. It's the world's easiest DeFi copy trading platform. Through the Finance platform, you'll be able to copy your favorites and best performing trader without ever having to monitor the markets 24/7. 14 years experience as a day trader. Average monthly profits 90%. Right? Thomas F. Yeah. Interesting. Trades copied. I get it. It's like copy trading. Will they pull it off? I mean, are they going to do it? I mean, the site's pretty bare bones, no? Welcome to the world of fines. Fines will be the easy. It will be the easy. Will be is the key. It will be. Not even. It is not right now. It has no, right? Will be the easiest copy trading platform you've ever used. Through the fines platform, you can actually own your assets and have them safely stored in your personal MetaMask. That's pretty cool. Copy trading is a long-established business model of a type of social trading. You may have found yourself looking at advertisements from mainstream platforms such as eToro, Zulu Trade, and etc. In copy trading, you literally copy the positions of a successful trader directly to your personal investment account. Incumbent provides have several major drawbacks, such as non-transparent models with all kinds of hidden fees, unfair order books and limited availability of assets, and much more. Plus, the majority of the platforms are based on derivatives, meaning you don't really own the assets, which brings additional unnecessary investment risks. What is Fines? Fines is the world's best DeFi copy trading platform that makes copy possible for a truly decentralized angle. I mean, this is pretty cool, right? Like, this is the thing, though. Like, this gets involved, like, I can't speak on stuff like this because I can just see where this is going, and it's interesting because, you know, technically it's like, I don't know, I won't even say it because a pioneer in DeFi copy trading. Fines is a pioneer in defining a copy trading platform through its truly retail friendly. There are no complex features or vague explanations. It's just a straightforward, easy-to-use platform where you can generate returns while sitting back on autopilot. I mean, too good to be true, right? But anything is possible. Any names in here? Moonplay in there, TrustPad. No names I really know. Twin Apex Capital. Robert Ubangs, Valentino. Buy your Fines token today. It's up pretty big too. But can you actually use it now? Like, it says will be. You know, I can't see the roadmap. You know. What is the currency? Where can I buy? Where's the slippage? Where can I buy? How many tokens? What's the launch price be? What wallet can I use? I want to see, when are you going to come out? Is this actually out yet? That's what I want to know. You know what I'm saying? Not saying anything bad on you, bro. No offense intended at all. Yeah, but what utilization or solution does Floki bring? Chains need to have innovative solutions to stay relevant now. You don't actually buy assets. It's all an idea. I know. The roadmap was at the bottom of the page. Why? Why was it at the bottom of the page? That's a bad idea, right? I don't know. I'm not really a fan right now at the present moment, right? 47,900 battling up and down here. Looks like we're about to make the inverted head and shoulder. Hey, Lifer, please check the TA on Keep, USDT. Thank you. We'll take a look at Keep. Thank you so much for the super chat. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Let's get back into the chat. Chat's been awesome today. It's been actually a funner, most social live stream than ever, right? Isn't that funny how the live stream just changes dynamic? Red Cat is on its tail. A good to buy. Keep buying mid to low, $2.50, and sell around $4. Please tell me you got into all tier. Feel better. Got in. Floki is just another pawn. Hey, Lifer, please check the TA on Keep. Little Schmitty. Thank you, Little Schmitty. Appreciate you. Love these chatters. Sweet AMC announced that they will accept Bitcoin and ETH. Yeah, I know. That's going to be a big deal, too. AMC will take Bitcoin and ETH. Awesome, awesome. Sweet, yeah. Big news. Let's take a look at Keep. I want to also look at Keep and KP3R. I like KP3R a lot. Andre Conje, I've been bringing this up a lot, talking about it. I started getting in around 389 personally. I did sell most of my bag, though. I don't really own anymore. But, you know, I just didn't have the patience for the long-term hold. And I think there's some bigger gains on shorter, smaller ideas, you know? We'll take a look at Phantom. Hey, bro, what's up? Shout out to Abhishek Sharma, man. Thank you for coming in. Trey Main, man. Floki has a huge community and a metaverse and a game coming out. Floki does have a big community. Who's spending their ETH to buy a movie ticket, though? Nobody, right? But you could, you know, you might just load up a card for ETH and then use it. Say you were going to buy movie tickets, you had $500 in your wallet, right? Chronicle is getting listed on KuCoin. That's going to pump to the upside as well. All right. We'll take a look at LITH, looking pretty nice too. Appreciate you, Lifer. Shout out to JB. Also, this is some big news right now for lithium finance. I'm personally like lithium. I'm a holder of lithium finance. Let's take a look at lithium. Lithium at 0.3155. Okay? 12 cents. Now, lithium was all the way down here. 3 cents, sorry. Up 12%. Lithium came to a low here at 0.2. It's really kind of found a bit of a bottom, right? It doing something with Polygon. Some news came out with Polygon. They're now on KuCoin. LITH. I got it on, on the, basically at the very beginnings of the stage. Lithium finance. Can you do a review on GRV? Yeah, we'll take a look at GRV. I don't know what it is. Thank you for the $5 super chat. Appreciate you. JB, appreciate you, Lifer. Thank you so much. Marin C with the $20. And then he says, for the cats that don't know how to super chat, much respect to you, man. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you so much for the 20 beans, man. You're the man, dude. And it does not negate your $5. All the $5 super chats full of love. Appreciate each and every one of you guys. Little Schmitty, we're going to get into what you're asking about right here. And we're going to go into Keep. I just like lithium. I hold lithium, just so you all know. So yeah, am I pumping my own bags? I mean, I want you to understand why I like lithium finance. Okay? Pricing illiquid assets into difficult and expensive. Current data oracles do not provide regular updated pricing for private companies. In fact, the only way to price an illiquid asset is through an expensive, slow valuation process. This limits the pricing to only very highly valued assets. Okay? Lithium is the first protocol to regularly price illiquid assets. Lithium can do this quickly and inexpensively, enabling price discovery for illiquid assets, just like stocks. Lithium's proprietary consensus mechanism sets the foundation for real assets in DeFi. Pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. Okay. All right. So lithium finance. Just want to put that on your radar. Let's get into Keep. But yeah, this has legs going further up to the upside, bouncing off. Everything is kind of retesting a previous test front line. You can see like the whole market is doing what Total's doing. So that's why when you study Total 2 and you go over about 15 altcoins, you then start kind of seeing exactly what's happening in the market. It's like when you go over a human body, you go over 1 organ, 2 organs. Once you go over like 10 organs, you start really feeling the whole health of the entire market, right? We got you, Lifer. I've made money learning from the Lifer. Spread love. Shout out to JB with the $10 super chat. Thank you so much for the love, man. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. 11:48. Wow, the live stream goes by way too fast, man. I wish I could stream for 5 hours a day. Yeah, Mackie is doing something beautiful. I like when things get tight like that, because the tighter they get, the more explosive. The tighter, the bigger. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Okay, let's get into Keep USDT for Little Schmitty. Keep USDT. And I drink the tea. I'm going to drink the water too. Keep USDT. Okay. Looks a lot like everything else. Little Schmitty, I'll be honest, you took 1 tutoring session with me, maybe 2, 1. I can tell that you picked up almost everything that I was teaching you. And I can tell you're watching the live and you're getting it in, because it's through repetition you will all become better. And I give you guys the repetition because I'm here every day. So all you got to do is really, if you can find a way to show up to this live stream for about a month, or if you can put in 3 days a week, you're going to learn so much, and it's going to change your life. I know it is, because it changed my life. And so if it changed my life, then it's going to change your life. You breathe the same air as me. You drink water just like me. You're not any different than I am. So when you play with TA and see how it can, the formulation of math and shapes can actually help you create fruition in your life, then it is what it is. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Keep USDT looking pretty nice here on the cup and handle. Highly likely to bounce up to the upside. All right. Now, the 15-minute is high, so I don't get in there. 1 hour has some momentum. I'd wait for it to find another level. So you kind of open it up. I tell you number one, tell you number two. Ain't no gonna play in the front. Ain't nothing get a band, want the Cali blues, like them Cali blues, like them Cali blues. With them Cali blues, rolling in the Cadillac, and my game strong. Rolling around with a sight with my lames on. Nothing changed, nothing gone with the flame on. See me looking in the face with them blue eyes. Catch you gonna when a blue, what you do, guys? Ain't nothing from the truth with them suit and ties. Got the accountants and the lawyers though, trying to hold me down, bouncing with the flow of Joe. You know, but changing it up, right? Keep USDT looking pretty nice here. It's also in a cup and handle, ready to rock to the upside, and it bounced off support. It told you that it had nice support at 46. Like it bounced off 46 a few times. So now you know if you get it at 48 and it goes to 46, highly likely the support there based off the support and resistance lines off of Keep. Pretty interesting, right? Now, levels of support and resistance are marked, and then the measured move there of this cup and handle. Keep's got legs and keeps getting ready. Hasn't really popped huge yet. It's got legs for sure on the 1 hour. It's not the perfect entry at the moment, says the oscillator, right? That 15-minute would probably more likely reset, come to the downside. So I'd put an alert down here on the 15-minute. When that hits, I would come back and look at it. All right? Appreciate you, Lifer. Thank you so much, little Schmitty. You're awesome, and I love you with all my heart. You're an amazing person. Appreciate you. R.I.P. to your dad, man. He was an amazing man. I know he was, because you're an amazing girl. For the cats that don't know how to super chat, spread the love. Thank you, Marin C. Can you do a review on GRV? We'll take a look at GRV. What is GRV? Gravit token, GRV, or Gravium. There's two GRVs. I don't know which one you want. So I'm not sure. I'm going to pick one. I'm going to pick the one I like the most. This one is a crap coin. This one is untracked and we don't know anything about it, so I'm going to have to go with the other one. Gravit token. Okay. Looks like another one of those tiny little coins. It's up huge though, huh? Interesting. Shiba Uno is trending right now for whatever reason. Smooth Love Potion is trending. And oh, this is trending right now. Isn't that funny? So that's why you're asking about it. It's trending. Can you check Hero, please? We need to get a Lifer Fam cipher going and all get on a beat. That'd be dope, man. Start buying crypto 3 months ago. Lost some, but coming back strong. Thanks to you and the others. Shout out to Falcor 200, man. Appreciate you, man. Thought Sam was saying Keith for the longest time. How about GRV? It's a rebase token. Apparently, it keeps going up for 90 days. At the end of the 90 days, it'll turn into a stable coin and a hedge fund. Really? That's hilarious. It looks like it's been doing it since 9/15, so we have some time. I copied the contract address. We're going to go to Fucoin. I'm going to paste it on in here. Gravit token. $45 million market cap. So far it's been doing exactly like you said it's been doing. People have been selling it off little by little, but it has just been going up to the upside. This is insane, this stuff. 400% gains, man, already. GRV BNB. Damn, why can't my Mist get some love, man? Alchemist. Back at 10 cents. I got in at 13. I'm holding Alchemist right now. It's a gaming coin. I believe it's going to do well. Show me some love, Alchemist, though. Show me some love. Hasn't really popped yet. Honing in on this wedge, breaking back up and reclaiming its all-time high. That's why I liked Alchemist. We'll see, though. We'll see. $101 million market cap. Total supply, 1 bill. Shiba Uno got listed on Binance US. Oh, that's a good deal. That's kind of interesting. Good to see them actually trying to do something. We need to get a Lifer Fam. Yeah, all right. Hero Man, please. Can you check out Hero? Manya Arya. Shout out to Marion and JB. When I get to your status, I will show a lot more love with super chats. I'm still learning on my own with the Lifer family. My friends are no support. Keep the support going. Yeah, she's in a place where no one believes in cryptocurrency but her, and she's all in her journey, man. You know how we are. There's all these different towns out in America. The smaller the town, too, the more close-minded they are. So if you're out there in one of these small town, Ohio, South Dakota, you name it, Minnesota, Michigan, even Boston here, most people, which is a progressive city, people are looking at me funny like they have no idea what cryptocurrency is. They have no clue, you know. Love this group, and you are my only friend. Shout out to Rodney Robinson. I know, me too, man. I need more DOT. We're all going to end up so rich together, it's going to be ridiculous. It's going to be hilarious. We're going to laugh all the way to the bank when it's said and done, man. We put a lot of hard work in, though, and we worked like 16-hour days and, you know, didn't take no for an answer. Little Schmitty, you have support right here. Just do you. Love and learn. Yep, Rod, get ready. We are going shopping. Shout out to Gina Bombima. Everyone thinks I know crypto is fake or some big scheme for real. Yep. Do you think Bitcoin will go for a sell short or a buy short on the 5-minute on TradingView? Jose Lopez. You want to go crazy, huh? Don't do anything I do in this channel. None of this is financial advice. I wouldn't trade the 5-minute right now. I think Bitcoin's going to go sideways in the 5-minute and just go up and down through this pattern. It'll probably come back down to the bottom of the pattern and test 47.5. That's about it. How's Algo looking? You the man. Algo's actually looking pretty good. Liberals don't like crypto because it's non-government. Conservatives don't like it because it's non-traditional. Yeah, we're in the middle of everyone. They don't like us. Nobody likes us. You know, we will all own our own islands. I know. We're going to have to, apparently. I'm in Michigan, and the only thing they know about Bitcoin is the crypto ATMs they see in the gas station. But most think it's a scam. Why is everyone saying Bitcoin is going to dump on the 22nd? For real, we should buy a Lifer Island. Don't listen to the rumors. For real, we should buy a Lifer Island. We will. We will. I'm looking you all dead in the face. Like, we're going to buy a Lifer Island, without a doubt. And look at the live stream, getting up to 191 people, 193 watching. Can we get the likes up to the watchers? I would greatly appreciate it. The beats have been banging today. I think they've been bringing in the crew, man. Shout out to all the... Yo, look at that. Look at the 2 dislikes. Sitting on their own little island all alone there. Appreciate the haters, man. Thank you for coming on in. I hope you're still here after you hit that dislike button, so you can see how to really dislike somebody. War on stablecoins will implode the crypto market. I hope not, man. That's sad to say, man. You really think so, Stargazer? What a negative comment. I can pull the bull pennant. I call the bull pennant a lifer pennant. A gate exchange is good enough. Get them likes to 200, otherwise Sam will go fishing. Save the fish people. One more person. Who wants to be 200? Who wants to be the awesome person that nails us past the threshold to 200 live on the live stream? I know we can do it. Crack-a-lack-a-day. Hey, 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 oh. And we're back above 48,000. Look at that. From 41,000 just an hour ago back to 48K. And I would have loaned that low. This beat is wacky, crazy, flippy, drippy, slippy, whippy, trippy, dippy, iffy, slippy. It's insane. Your live stream eliminates my urge to sell every 5 seconds. SEC will force delisting all stablecoins. Smash that. You think so? BitBoy and Crypto Savvy with the dislikes. That's funny. Beat got me over here turned up. Yeah, that beat was insane. It really was. All right. I got into some algo last night. Woke up to a nice surprise. Falgo, is Phantom going to pump? Let's take a look at my baby Phantom, man. Should call this the Phantom channel, as a lot of people were saying that to me. Wow, Phantom, man. Really? Really, Phantom? Come on, man. Not holding that pennant and dropping like that? Still a bull flag to me. All is well. I'll show you what I see happening for Phantom right now. Bit of a cup and handle for sure. So there's 2 ideas here for Phantom. That really was it? That was all you had? There's no way we listen to all those tracks. That sounds like Shill. He's out of here. That's the funniest thing ever. The way he did it, too. He's like, that sounds like a Shill. and he's out of here. I could do Crypto Savvy's voice a little bit. So here on the Bitcoin chart today, today we're gonna look at Bitcoin chart. On the Bitcoin chart today, I've been shorting since 42,900, and I'm sorry. I like anyone that does crypto every day. I think he's cool. I think it's fun that we can play with each other. Like, I think we should get to all know each other and be able to poke fun at each other. Like, they can make fun of my crazy techno music and be like, look at that lifer, he's out of his mind. Like, they can do whatever they want. I'm cool with it. I think it's good for all our channels. Someone might go check out Crypto Savvy now. Any publicity is good publicity, right? I'm still shouting him out. I'm still giving him some love, right? So, and that sounds like a shoe. And Crypto Lifers out. I remain bullish on Algo and Atom. So do I. The full-scale frontal war on crypto will only intensify. Phantom and I have a strong relationship. It's true. So look, we're bouncing resistance on the 30-minute, and we're bouncing off that resistance, and we got legs. So you want to look for legs in the 15-minute? It's got something. Looks like it's going to kind of channel couple more times. So you look for that daily. That daily's oversold, ready to rock. So, and we already started to get our cross. So it's ready, man. It's going up to like $2 and something crazy cents. Look for Phantom to boom to the upside really, really nicely. What's everyone bullish on right now? XRP? I show Marin Altman all day. Okay. We'll be honest, I watch a lot of videos with the best live stream, period. Been watching for a week. Glad I found you. Shout out to Mike Taylor. Thank you for coming on in. Phantom and I have a strong... Yeah, we do. Full-scale frontal war on crypto will only intensify. I stay more positive, man. I stay more positive that the technology will change and we'll be able to change these laws and we'll regulate and there'll be a way we can move forward. What is that noise? Is it the music? Negative people have no place near me, around me. Negative comments have no place near me or around me. You know? I don't see them. I don't hear them. I don't feel them. I move forward with the speed of light with high frequency. The second someone's on a low frequency, my whole being just like, I'm like there. I can feel them, smell them by the way they walk, the way they talk. Like when someone's low frequency, it's like it's like coming off of them. I can't explain it. And when the higher frequency you are, the more your aura is clean. The cleaner your aura, the more you can see other people. You can see. And I'm not trying to say you're judging others. It is what it is. And it all starts with low frequency. And then your body starts to look like it. So you start doing the wrong things. So you come out, everyone comes out with a nice, healthy body when you're a kid, right? If you have the wrong parents, they feed you with nonsense. But if not, you come out with a nice, healthy body as a kid. You're ready to go. But then what do? You think about doing some wrong things. You hang out with some of the wrong people. You smoke a cigarette. You may eat some fast food. Next thing you know, you're overweight and doing the wrong things. Where? Oh, yeah, okay. So that's the idea there. Someone say hi. Rodney Robinson. One could go 10x from here and Phantom. So you're holding Bitcoin will only 2x, 3x. Ask yourself if this is for the money or for the fundamentals. Well, but what you do is then you take that money that you 10x and you put it back into Bitcoin. So it's always about the fundamentals. It sounds nicer now. I'm very positive, really. Then stay positive, man. Then do the positive. Save with crypto. Appreciate you, man. Oh, so you knew it was you who said that. I didn't even call you out. Interesting. So you connected to that theory that it may have been you. I'm just saying. Labradorite up in the spot. Labradorite at all times. Around me at all times. I did break my Labradorite. And you're looking for this shine here. I don't know if you guys are going to get it, but you're looking for this amazing shine on the Labradorite. Different ways. Different strokes for different folks. Couldn't even get the shine, but maybe I could. Couldn't get it. No, you guys couldn't see what I was trying to make happen. Couldn't see it, but it was there, man. I'm telling you. Ren doing absolute damage to the upside as well. We started getting into Ren down here at about 49, and it's at $1.06 right now. Booming to the upside. All you had to do was play cup and handles. Simple. I like TCT looking beautiful right now on the daily time frame. Extremely oversold, right? This is Token Club. Talking about it a lot. They've been bringing it up a lot. It comes out on Token Metrics a lot. It boomed all the way up, came back down, consolidated. Now it's kind of moving up in a new trend. Token Club, TCT, extremely oversold on the 1 hour, looking crispy. Looking crispy like BTC. Like ready to rock. The short-term target is about 4 cents from 3.6, 4.4 from 3.6. That's about 8 on 3.6. It's like a little under 25%, about 20% gains possible, right? I'm Chris B. Shout out to Chris B. High frequency all the way. Shout out to Jose Luria. AVAX booming, all-time high. We told y'all. What did we say last week? Honestly, not even here. Look, forget last week. I tried to tell everyone what, I try to be nice about it. I'm sitting here walking on the beach, right? AMA, how to follow the money in crypto, the next wave. Put that in your minds, guys. How to follow the money in cryptocurrency. It's flowing somewhere all the time. And you gotta track it. The faster you track it, the quicker you can jump on the next move. And you can see it's NFTs right now, and you can see it's DeFi. So now you're looking for these NFT DeFi plays. It's DeFi. So now you're looking for these NFT DeFi plays. Anything with a game, anything that looks cool, right? And then we also looked at the site, Rarity, I think it's called, Rarity.
Would I buy it?
Yeah. I mentioned AVAX many times in here. You already know I'm dug in heavy on that AVAX. Yeah, Audius moving. Audius is a great project too. Things that have real use cases and that are going to come to fruition. Things that you know. So this guy's talking about they'll annihilate stable coins and all that, and fine, they'll do whatever they have to do. And things will happen, right? Sunglasses lower your frequency. They don't, I disagree with that. I disagree with that. Because you squint a lot and then you end up with like a lot of wrinkles. You know what I'm saying? You just want to make sure you pull in sunlight into your eyes when you get the chance. I agree with you, but they don't lower your frequency per se. I don't know if I completely agree with that. I would research it though. I'm open-minded. I have white eyes. See my eyes? They're white. I have no pigment in my eyes at all. They're white. Like, they're not even blue, really. They're white. And so when I'm out in the sun, like, I can't see anything. Crypto Savvy is looking at a 10K BTC. I would love to see that so I can get a second mortgage on my home. So funny, man. Agree with the lifer on that, too. Man. You call Sol while the market was dumping. You also called Phantom, brother. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate it, man. Thank you. M-Box, please. Thank you, brother. I appreciate you for saying that. Agree with the lifer on that, too. Sam, you're the man, bro. Thanks, bro. I'm getting old, man. I'm getting old, man. I'm getting old, guys. So there's a cup and handle here, eventually moving to the upside. TCT. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. 15 minutes, good. Highly likely it's going to begin to break up out of this channel and continue on its rampage. Token Club, man. Token Club. TCT. Let's take a look at Chi. 220 likes, 174 people. Lifer convention next in Orlando. I got the spot and the hookup for the villas. Can you please do that, man? Yo, me and my wife want to stay in one of the villas you were talking about. We gotta sit down and talk to you, man. You got the hookup. Get old and pockets get swollen, baby. Let's go. Shout out to Crypto Games. Chi booming back up to 19. Chi getting legs, man. And look, I got Chi in this funky banana. These bananas form upswings to the upside, and we could see Chi right back to the all-time high a couple weeks from now. You never know. Highly beautiful time. This is where you accumulate these projects. Accumulate, you know. Check out TBK Token and its website, Crypto Gaming TKB. I think we know TKB, yeah. Over getting ching off of 3 commas now. I know, there you go. Bananas are very bullish. Extremely, right? Very, very. Also, let me show you what else we got going on. You got a shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder. Highly likely this breaks up to the upside. You know? Highly likely this breaks up to the upside. And then one would also try to put this in a bit of a bull pennant or like, you know, falling wedge that broke out. It's getting to that top trend line there. Could even have done this. Could even say it's in an ascending triangle. One of these. A bilateral triangle. Symmetrical triangle. And then even right here, if we zoom in here, you can see this, right? And you can see the inverted head and shoulders here. It was drunken. It sounds deadly with the TA, like I'm doing deadly TA with that music. That sounded dope. It was like, God, this man is insane with his technical analysis. Like, the music was making it like, wow, like, how did he find that inverted head and shoulders while that music was so dramatic? Oh my God, he's out of his mind, this man. And I truly am. Never met somebody like me. 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 Tap it 1, tap it 2, tap it 3, tap it 4, blah, 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 blah. The rap music makes you get crazy, man. Like, it's not right. It's not right. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you. So look, and then you can see how we broke out of this too. And look, when I zoom in here, there's going to be a inverted head and shoulder inside that one, right? Kind of a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder there. And we broke out of that. This has legs back to 20 and booming to the upside. Nice, baby, nice. I like what we're seeing for chi. I hold a lot of chi. I didn't buy it at the greatest time, right? One of my buys is kind of even. One of my buys is still down, if you can believe it. So I still make mistakes. I'm not perfect. Right? I look at a new project, I project it, you know. But what I do is I don't ever put more than I'm willing to lose. And I can handle anything that I'm willing to take, right? Entire position, smaller, but it depends, you know. And, yeah. It is what it is, man. MTV booming back. I want MTV to stay above 2 cents, though. It just can't. Like, every time it goes above 2 cents, it goes below. It's a little sad. It's like Phantom not staying above 145, you know? They're playing with it. Right? AVAX doing damage, though. All-time high back to 65. Right? And let's see some other coins that people don't talk about. Let's see what's up. I have a very strange group of coins in my list because I have a lot of KuCoin coins, and I had KuCoin shares, so they give you a lot of the shares. So I hold some coins that I don't even like. I hold like little amounts, and I hold some bigger amounts too as well. We just take a look at these ideas, right? I find a lot of coins this way. Hero coin. We'll take a look at play today. Avalanche. M-Box up. These are big boys up big today. Chi. All the low caps killing them. Ren, Audius, Loom, Reserve Rights, DAT-X, right? We don't really know what that is. We haven't looked at that before. Mask back up in the game. Back up to 12. Ardor. 1 inch. Walton Change. Ergo. Cody. Synthetics. My entire portfolio is up. Look, every coin I hold is up. Every single thing is up. It's a green day in cryptocurrency, baby. It's a green day in cryptocurrency. Another beautiful day to be alive. I like M-Box too. I hold a little chunk of M-Box, a little more than I should. And then some Avalanche too. My biggest bag is always BTC. That's my biggest bag though, baby. You know? And then Elrond, my second biggest bag. IOST, my fourth biggest bag. IOST booming, man, I'm telling you. V-Chain, nice bag. Multivac is another bag. Atom, I'm holding a serious bag. And yeah, Polygon, holding a pretty serious bag as well. So yeah, pretty bagged up. XRP holding a fat bag. Polkadot, I'm holding a fat bag. Mask, I'm holding a bag. Waves, I'm holding a bag. Algorand, I'm holding a bag. Avalanche, I'm holding a bag. Icon, I'm holding a bag. Rose, I'm holding a bag. $4,000 bag. Zilliqua, I'm holding a bag. $4,000 bag. Band, I'm holding a $4,000 bag. Share token, I'm holding like a $3,800 bag. Ocean Protocol, I'm holding a bag. Syscoin, I'm holding a bag. Anchor, I'm holding a bag. Theta, I'm holding a bag. Cody, I'm holding a bag. Secret Network, I'm holding a bag. The list goes on. I probably have way too many coins. I definitely think I do. I think most people will be like, that's just a little too much. And I think they're right. I'd be honest to say it. I think I own like 400 coins. It's absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. But had you joined the Patreon, reasons why, had you joined the Patreon and you've been in the group, you'd have been GALA would been put on your radar for 100% gains last night. Nice and sweet and easy. Booming to the upside. Hold on. Shout out to everybody here on the live stream. Hold on one second. I can do this too. Hi, I'm the Crypto Lifer. Welcome to my channel. Hope you're having a good morning, day, afternoon, night, no matter where you are in the world. If you came to my channel and you like the vibe that I provide, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and don't forget to hit that like button and please leave a comment. I absolutely love reading the comments. Today, I want to talk about what we went over last night in the Patreon. About 7:44 p.m., I saw a new coin come out called Galaxy. It was called GALA. It came out on September 13th. I know what the cup and handle is, and if you get to tutoring from me, if you watch my channel, I go live every single day from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday nights at 8 p.m. So I'm live every day, every single day, 7 days a week without a day off. And what I also do is I run a trading group on Patreon for $99 a month. I also do tutoring one-on-one for $200 an hour and group settings for $100 for 2 hours. If that's something you would like, jump on in. For $50 an hour, you won't get better tutoring. I'm telling you right now. I figured out a way to make it affordable, fun, and entertaining. So come on in. You will love it. Now, why would you join my Patreon? What would make you want to join it? Everyone has something they want you to jump in my group, this group, that group. Well, I show up every single day, number one, on my live. So I'm not like a guy that makes a video once a day or even just makes one video every couple of days. You see me every day. You can ask me live questions on the live stream every day. So even if you're not a Patreon yet, you still have full access to me. Once you become my Patreon, you can text me at 1 in the morning, 2 in the morning, and I'll try to answer you, one of my admins, and my whole team is there to support you. Now, GALA was looking beautiful. I play what's called the cup and handle. I form these giant cups, and then I see when they make these right side handles. So I was looking at it on the 5-minute last night, and I saw that it started to pop, and it made a handle like so. And it was very low on the stochastics RSI. I'll teach you what the stochastics RSI are. When the stochastics RSI get low, I tend to get into a trade and enter a trade. So the stochastics RSI were low here, and we had a falling wedge, which is a 68% chance of a break to the upside if you are a pattern trader and get to know your patterns. That's something I also teach is pattern trading. Now, I made an entry here, and boom, we made beautiful, beautiful gains. Another entry here, and then it would continue. This would end up going from we got in at 745 all the way up here, and it would, at its peak, make 166% gains in less than about 12 hours. Now, if you're in the Patreon, you actually get my ideas presented to you throughout the day. If I see something that looks probable, or if I'm doing my TA, I go over it and I show it to you. And you get a chart. I also go over Bitcoin throughout the day. You get Bitcoin updates in video format. You won't miss it. We also do a weekly screen share every single week on Wednesdays at 6 p.m. And we change it every once in a while for different time frames. We also record it so you can watch it at another time. I also include going over coins that I go over with my Token Metrics subscription, which is $89 a month or $80 a month. So for the $99 a month, you basically get a Token Metrics subscription given to you once a week in a group format and an analyst going over it. So it's even better than a Token Metrics subscription because then you would just get it yourself. You get it with an analyst who goes over it once a week. So that's just like absolutely insane. That is worth probably $100 in itself a month. I could extrapolate that one thing, and that would be a beautiful product for $100 a month. On top of that, you get my admins, my analysts, and you're in a Telegram group where everyone's here to help you. For instance, you would have access to this idea here that we gave at 7:44 p.m. last night. And you can see it's timestamped with the date, September 15th. Today is September 16th. So you can see that none of this is smoke and mirrors. I'm giving you exactly how it played out. So you can see how I teach, then you can see how the teachings play out, and then you can put these teachings to practice and learn technical analysis. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications so you can find out when I post my next video. Remember, if you came to this channel, then you're already doing the right thing. Crypto is life. I'd like to extrapolate that video and put it out, separately on my channel, Okay. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. All right. I'm going to jump on out for the day. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, and then I'm running out of here for the day. Bitcoin on the 5-minute. I just watch it here. Looks like it's just going to continue to do its thing. There's a chance that it's doing this too. That it fell out and it's going to make a right shoulder here. And this is, I'm just projecting. Someone could be as good as TA, but are they as creative? Are they as innovative? Can their mind outthink, right? Get out of the box. That's like, to me, it's not just technical analysis. Can you project into the future? Can you play with creativity and your mind, right? Can you channel the energies and the frequencies all together at one to try to aim to see the future and then create it, right? So all eyes on this idea. This is a possibility too for Bitcoin. But for the most part, I don't like to extrapolate or take out that point. Looks like we're just going to form this bull pennant here on the 15-minute. 1 hour has legs, so no reason why we shouldn't eventually be breaking up to the upside here, because the 1 hour has it, has the momentum. 15-minute got high, so when the 15-minute gets high, we probably come back down to the bottom of the pattern or form a right shoulder. So this is what we're looking for BTC, something like that. So look for some sideways action throughout the day till we get our move. Who's coming shopping? Well, I'll go shopping. Wifey, crypto wifer with the love. I'm with you, Gina. Good time still to get GALA. I don't know. When you're asking if it's still a good time, you got to learn the technical analysis, man, and do the right thing. I'm with you, Gina. Good time still in to get GALA. These are the worst stories out there. Pulling out the story of my life. My first 6X was dent. Then it came up on life. Then it gave up on life. Yeah.